Okay, here it is. This will be the way I leave it. The angle's good. It's stable. Let's give it a ride. I didn't expect rain, and it looks like it's going to pass, but, you know, water all over the ledge kind of ruins it. But I'll throw something on it. I also have no gas, so I'm using it as an excuse to sit here and dry off a little bit. Hopefully this will pass. Not that I haven't been wet before, but, you know. This will take some pretty pictures in the rain. But it's definitely much more stable. I think the long arm, one more long arm, I hate spent like 17 bucks a shot. One more will do the trick. Ooh, I just thought of something. Let's peek out a little bit. Let's take the short arm off. Take one of the mirror long arms, pop that on, and I'll put the mirror on the short arm. And we'll test it. We'll test the theory. That before I spend more money. That's not a bad idea. Alright, so we'll take a mirror off. Stick that in my pocket so it doesn't get broken. Stick that in the other pocket. Because normally I would put the cover on the GoPro before taking it off, because, you know, so I don't break the shit, but I want to keep filming. So, and then I won't even end up using this, which is great, but, you know, whatever. Alright, so this is going to be higher. I think this might be just a touch better. We'll line it all up so it hides itself. Make sure that the arm, see, there's a little, with this longer arm, there's a little bit of wobble, but not like the monopod. And when you point them straight up, that doesn't happen. So now I'll put a mirror on. So the longer arm's a little shakier, but nothing the stabilization can't handle. I like the fact that my head is almost completely above the windshield, but I don't know if it's enough to make me go with the longer arm, to buy another one. I have them on the mirror. I can always do what I did today and pull one off if I need it, but I don't know if the change is worth the shake and the stability work. I do know that it's really strong, and I do know that stopping for lunch was a really good idea at the Wooden Nickel, and it was good as always. Props to the Wooden Nickels. If you ever going up the West Coast, pass from Watsonville, stop in. But as you can see by this side-by-side image that's about to pop up, the difference is so minimal, I don't know if it's worth doing anything about. Occasionally I'll probably still use the selfie stick on smooth roads if the background's worth it. But I think this is good enough for the angle, you know, just to change the angles up a little bit. Well, I guess that's it. Here you see it in all its glory. Two long arms bolted to the side balls, a triple ball, and then a short arm connecting the camera.